Consumer Cellular provides two ways to check your voicemail via shortcodes and visual voicemail. Shortcodes offer a quick, traditional method by dialing 86, then entering your PIN, which is usually 0000 or the last four digits of your phone number. Follow the voice prompts to listen to and manage messages. Visual voicemail, accessible through the Consumer Cellular app, displays messages visually, allowing you to select and play messages in any order. It also often provides transcription of the audio. To use visual voicemail, download the Consumer Cellular app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. Ensure visual voicemail is enabled in the app settings. For shortcodes, remember *86 as the primary code for voicemail retrieval. If visual voicemail is temporarily unavailable, shortcodes offer a reliable alternative. Keep your voicemail PIN secure and consider using the app's biometric unlock for added security. The app enhances the voicemail experience with features like transcription and spam filtering. Shortcodes are efficient for quick access, especially in low data situations or during emergencies.